Hello, I am Dr. Hidayatullah Khan, ophthalmic surgeon, chairman of Meena Multi-Speciality Hospital, Hyderabad. This hospital, Meena Multi-Speciality Hospital, was established in the year 2003-2004. This hospital was established with the sole motto of serving the poor and the middle class people at affordable prices. So this Meena Multi-Speciality Hospital has various prime specialties like obstetrics and gynecology, ophthalmology, general medicine, general surgery, pediatrics, neonatology, and intensive care units and emergency services. So in obstetrics and gynecology, we have been doing obstetrics and gynecology services since past almost 18 to 20 years. We have completed more than 15,000 deliveries, and we have been doing regularly these laparoscopic surgeries too. In the laparoscopic surgery department, it is headed by Dr. Sohiba Shukur, who has been regularly doing these laparoscopic surgeries. Laparoscopic surgeries are performed for the patients, usually for the infertility patients who don't have children and have various gynecological and obstetric problems. And like polycystic ovarian disease and blocked tubes and all those things which results in various problems for pregnancies. So we have been doing these laparoscopic surgeries regularly since past 10-15 years, and regularly these hysterectomies are being done, and ectopic pregnancies in emergency basis are being dealt with, twisted ovarian cyst also being done with the laparoscopic surgeries. And what we are charging for this laparoscopic surgeries is almost 30 to 40% of what other hospital people are charging. So our motto is to deliver this kind of high standard of healthcare services to the poor and the affordable to the poor and the middle class patients at very affordable prices. In the department of ophthalmology, we have by God's grace, we have completed more than 60,000 eye surgeries. We have been doing regularly these cataract surgeries like phacoemulsification, and we have been doing squint surgeries and glaucoma surgeries and refractive surgeries too. And we have been doing this ophthalmology services since past almost 19 years at this place. Regular activities of Meena Multi-Speciality Hospital has been conducting various health camps. So every year we do conduct a very big mega health camp in the month of November and December, where nearly 7,000 to 10,000 people utilize this free health services by Meena Multi-Speciality Hospital. During this mega health camp, all the departments, the consultation, the medicine, investigations, everything is free for the patients. So a lot of patients converge during this mega health camps to the hospital and utilize these services. And we also do conduct regular antenatal camps where pregnant ladies are seen absolutely free of cost, and even free ultrasound and other blood investigations are done to these patients, creating lot of health awareness during pregnancies and during their deliveries and even after the delivery of the child. So, and on regular basis, we have been conducting a free health camp for the Hajj pilgrims just before the departure of Hajj pilgrims during the Hajj season. Also, we have been conducting other free medical camps, general medicine camps, where creating patients regarding their diabetes, hypertension and cardiac related diseases. During these camps also, we do evaluate the patients absolutely free of cost by doing regular blood checkups, and ECGs, 2D echos also done free of cost to the patients. The basic motto is of the hospital is to create health awareness among the general population, so that they become aware of the health and aware about their diets and when to take treatment, when to approach the doctor and all those things. Meena Multi-Speciality Hospital has been forefront of delivering high quality services at very affordable prices in the city of Hyderabad. Thank you so much.